And accessories, and read the warnings and precautions in the product packaging before using the product. Connect the transducer to the generator. The transducer is non-sterile packaged, so it should be sterilized according to the instruction manual before using the product. Remove the device from the package under sterile conditions. To avoid instrument damage, do not crash the device into the sterile plate. When installing the transducer, rotate the instrument clockwise to install with the transducer. Tighten it just with your fingers. Do not twist the main body of the instrument by your hand to avoid damage to the transducer. Rotate the wheel on the instrument clockwise until you hear a click sound. It shows that the instrument is installed. Please refer to the manual for detailed installation and system operation instructions. After the generator is inserted into the grounding device, connect the foot switch to the foot access on the back of the generator as needed. Press the power button to turn on the generator, and the generator can be used when it makes a beep sound. Press the test button to perform connection detection. The hourglass icon will be issued and beep will be issued when the detection is completed. When it finishes, it will return to the standby interface. Press the hand activation button to start the manual activation mode. Press the standby button. It will enter to the working mode when the ready turns to be green. Press the max or min on the device or the foot switch to enter the system detection. When the detection occurs, the hourglass icon will emit beep. When it finishes, it will return to the standby interface. Do not release the button until the end of the test. After the test finishes, the work can be performed. Press standby button before replacing the instrument or the transducer. It will enter standby mode when the green light is off and the yellow light is on instead. The up and down buttons on the panel are used to adjust the coagulation gear. The factory setting is Gear 3. Before inserting the shaft from the trocar or tissue incision, press the trigger to close the tip of scalpel. The tissue is affected by the energy delivered to the tissue, the set energy level, instrument performance, grasping force, tissue tension, tissue type, pathological feature, surgical skills, and many other factors. Only when the trigger is fully pressed, the best performance of the instrument can be achieved. The user should avoid accidental contact of the instrument to other surgical instruments or items. Scratches can cause premature damage to the tip. In order to achieve the best performance and avoid tissue adhesion, clean the tip and shaft of the scalpel repeatedly during the entire procedure of the operation, and activate the scalpel during cleaning. Note: do not use any matte material to clean the tip of the scalpel. Remove tissue with wet gauze if necessary. If any visible tissue is present on the tip of the scalpel, remove the residual tissue with hemostatic forceps. Be careful not to turn on the machine. When the tissue is being cut and has not been fully separated, the pressure needs to be increased slowly. When the operation is complete, press the power button to turn off the generator. Turn the wheel counterclockwise until the instrument is completely removed. Dispose of the used instrument as instruction. The Rex Ultrasonic Scalpel